Hello all, welcome to 3D Fully Design. In this video, I would like to explore a real world product, toothpick sticks. This is type 1. This is with two pointed ends. Means both the sides are pointed ends. These are generally manufactured from wood or bamboos. Some of the applications of this. First one, to insert between teeth to remove detritus, usually after a meal or some eating. Next application is to eat fruits from fruit bowl, or to eat cake pieces or any other snacks pieces, and etc. So moving forward, this is a type 1 toothpicks, which is two pointed ends, and here you can see the hand drawn sketch of this with approximate dimensions, and also you can see the final 3D modeled pictures of this with the real wooden appearances. As I described earlier, these are generally manufactured from wood or bamboos. Here I have listed about 15 renowned 3D CAD tools that is widely used for modeling. But in this video, I will explore some of the steps for modeling that you could achieve with any of the above tools. But for this particular video, I will choose SolidWorks 3D tool to work on. Let's explore the steps involved. So, step 1 for 3D modeling. Draw this sketch with approximate dimensions as shown. I prefer to draw on front plane. Some of the sketch tools used here are lines, arcs, and smart dimension. The step 2 is convert this sketch to a solid of approx diameter of 2.2 mm using a feature tools revolved boss base. Here you can see the different states of 3D model, like shaded with edges, shaded, wireframe, and also at the bottom you can see a group of toothpicks put together to see as a bunch of toothpicks. Here you can see the same toothpicks with the 3dfullydesign.com written on it. Let's begin with the live 3D modeling process. If you found this video informative, please like and subscribe.